हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल योर क्लासमेट में। मेरा नाम है सुखचंद यादव और आज हम क्लास 11 के इंग्लिश बुक हॉर्नबिल का चैप्टर 8 सिल्क रोड का क्वेश्चन आंसर करने वाले हैं। इसके राइटर हैं निक मिडिल्टन। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सेक्शन 1, गिव रीजन फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। Question 1. The article has been titled Silk Road. Answer. The article has been titled Silk Road because the protagonist explored the region of Old Silk Route, which was one of the historical route for trade. The route connected Afro-Eurasian land trade of Chinese silk, spices, teas, and porcelain, Indian textiles, paper, and precious stones, Roman Empire's gold, silver, glassware, wine carpets, and jewels were done. Question 2. Tibetan mastiffs were popular in China's imperial courts. Answer. Tibetan mastiffs were popular in China's imperial courts as big hunting dogs. They were fearless and furious with big jaws. They were brought along the Silk Road as a watchdog from Tibet. They were a tribute in ancient times. Question 3. The author's experience at Hor was in stark contrast to earlier accounts of the place. Answer. According to the earlier accounts, the town on the shore of Lake Mansarovar abounded in natural beauty. A Japanese monk who had arrived there in 1900 was so moved by the sanctity of the lake that he burst into tears. A couple of years later, the hallowed waters had a similar effect on another traveler. However, now it was a grim and miserable place. There was no vegetation whatsoever, but only dust and rocks liberally scattered with years of accumulated rubbish left by tourists. Question 4. The author was disappointed with Darchan. Answer. He was disappointed with Darchan because he was having health issues due to change in altitude. He had a cold and was unable to sleep at night. The place had no pilgrims and it was filled with loads of remains and trash. Question 5. The author thought that his positive thinking strategy worked well after all. Answer. The author was disappointed with Dachan. He also complained of bad health. Satan had left for Lhasa. He was feeling rather lonely with no pilgrims around. It was then he met Norbu, a Tibetan who had wanted to visit Kailash. They would be a good team as both of them were academicians who had escaped from the library. The author started thinking positively and it gave him some delight and a new enthusiasm. Section 2. Briefly comment on. Question 1. The purpose of the author's journey to Mount Kailash. Answer. The author wanted to go to Mount Kailash to complete the Kora, which is an essential display in Buddhism. Buddhist believers are to be performed meditation in this process. Question 2. The author's physical condition in Dachan. Answer. The author was ill when he reached Dachan. His sinus was blocked because of the cold weather and altitude change. He didn't sleep well and the next day he went to the Tibetan doctor who gave him some medicine. Question 3. The author's meeting with Norbu. Answer. The author was feeling rather lonely because Satan, who had left for Lhasa, there weren't any pilgrims at Dachan as he had reached the place much early in the season. It was then he Norbu was a Tibetan and also an academician. He too was there to visit Kailash and they decided to go there together. Question 4. Satan's support to author during the journey. Answer. Satan played an important role during the author's journey. He was an efficient driver. He took care of the author when he got ill after reaching Dalchan. He took him to the medical college and got medicine for him. He also informed him about the places they were visiting in their journey. Question 5. As a Buddhist, he told me he knew that it didn't really matter if I passed away, but he thought it would be bad for business. Answer. Satan was a Buddhist who believed that death is not the end. He might have gone directly to heaven as Kailash is a holy place. He thought it would be bad if the author died because it might affect his business and he would not get any customers in future. He could have lost his credibility. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक कर दीजिए और अगर आप हमारे चैनल में नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।